Wiseman speaking. Now we'll be dealing with parabola function. Okay, now let's dive into the video to understand what parabola function is all about. So this is part 2 of the parabola function. Now remember that in the part 1 video, we deal on how to find the equation when the equation of a parabola in the general form. Now what will happen now if they tell you to find the equation in the vertex form? Okay, vertex form. Remember I said that in our previous video there's this h, it's known as p, okay, while k it's known as q. Okay, k deals with the vertical shift. Okay, k deals with the vertical shift. Okay, vertical shift. So with this k here, it shows us that the graph will never touch the value of k. Okay, the graph will never touch the value of k. Now let's go and do an example on finding the equation in this form here. Now when you're finding the equation in that form, okay, we can see that it is y equals to a open brackets x minus p close brackets squared close bracket squared plus q. Okay, plus q. Now we can see that this is our turning point. Okay, p and q are your x value for your turning points and your y value of your turning points. Okay, now to find it, we're going to say y equal to a. Now all we're doing is substituting this is x, okay, minus. Now we can see that our p is positive, so when it comes here, it becomes negative squared plus 6. Okay, plus 6. Now once we do that, we can take any point, either this point or this point here, to sub into our x and y value. We can use this, it's not a problem. So y we said it's what? So y is 4 equals to a open bracket x we said it's 3. So 3 minus 1 squared plus 6. Now what we have to do, we're trying to isolate the a. So the first thing we have to do, we have to take 3 to the left hand side. So 4 minus 6 gives us an answer of -2, while this is a. Here inside 2, that is 3 minus 1, which is 2. 2 squared gives us an answer of 4. Now our a value is -2 over 4, which eventually becomes -half. Okay, now to write this equation here full, we're going to say y equals to -half open brackets, so it was x minus 1 squared plus 6. Now this had to find the equation in the vertex form. Now remember when we did part 1, we said, right, if a is negative, we're gonna draw our graph like this. Now you can see that when a is negative, look harder, our graph is sad. Our graph is sad. But when a is positive, our graph will be happy. Now that you have the knowledge that you require, it is time to go and shock your teacher. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. See you in our next video.